Ready to move your USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance without the headache? Let's dive right in. First, open your Tonkeeper wallet and make sure you have USDT available. See that USDT balance. That's what we're moving. Now head over to your Binance app. Tap on Wallet, then find and tap on Deposit. Choose USDT from the list of cryptocurrencies. If you don't see it, use the search bar. Crucially, select the TON network for the transfer. This is super important. Why choosing the wrong network can result in lost funds? Double check this. Binance will now generate a USDT deposit address for you on the TON network. Copy this address carefully by tapping the copy icon. Go back to your Tonkeeper wallet, tap the send button. Paste the Binance deposit address you just copied into the recipient's address field. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Review the transaction details carefully, paying close attention to the fees and the total amount. If everything looks correct, tap the confirm button to initiate the transfer. Now back in your Binance app, check your transaction history. You should see the USDT deposit listed as processing. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain this might take a few minutes. The USDT will appear in your Binance Spot wallet. That's it. You've successfully transferred USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance.